thanks for coming back to this series of common mistakes in Tai Chi. The next mistake I want to cover is the tendency to watch or look at your hand during Tai Chi. So oftentimes I will see Tai Chi players say doing waving hands in clouds, and they'll be looking at their hand. Or when they do brush knee, they'll place their focus on the hand. And what this does is it creates focus rather than awareness, and focus is less effective. Also, it places too much intention on that one part of our body rather than being aware of our entire body and that of the person touching us. So I'm going to demonstrate it, and the simple way of fixing this is to keep your nose over your dantian and have your eye gaze go into a peripheral vision and taking up more of the room so that you're not focused on your hand. So common Tai Chi mistake is looking at your hand, and the fix for that is line your nose over the dantian and open up your vision into peripheral vision. So let's see what this looks like. So I have Alex here, and Alex is going to offer some counter resistance and then give some feedback. So let's step back a little bit so you're in there you go. So with waving hands in clouds, if he's going to punch at me, and I use waving hands in clouds to block his punch, and I'm looking at my hand. So go ahead and apply some overpressure there and tell me what you're feeling.
Well, I felt the resistance, but you fell back.
Okay. So when I'm looking at my hand, my focus is here, and it also tends to be on where he's touching me. And it's sort of like having tunnel vision, and I start to employ my muscles. Can you feel a directionality and kind of a harshness to that? Now let's contrast that with the strategies that I just talked about, which is keeping my nose over my dantian and opening up my vision to peripheral vision so that I'm not looking past my hand. I'm actually taking in the room and maybe even gazing past him. And let's see if there's a difference. So go ahead. Yeah, so what did you feel?
Springiness.
Oh, I love that description, springiness, which is one of those qualities in Tai Chi called Peng. So Peng is actually an onomatopoeia, and it is the sound of the quality. And so Peng, like if you think of a ping pong and the bounciness, then that's if there is such a word as pongness, that's what you felt, was the springiness and the pongness. Okay, good. So now I'm going to do it in brush knee. So if I come here, and what you'll see players do is they'll focus on their hand. And so I'm focused right here and at this juncture, and I'm really putting my awareness right there. And when he pushes, it comes back and takes me off. Now, if I do the same technique, remain my nose over my dantian, put my awareness in the room, and whoa, okay, this is really something, isn't it?
Yeah. It was something.
It really is.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can put this into any of your forms and just watch yourself. Are you focused on the hand, and therefore the intent is what I call double weighted? Because if my focus is here on the hand and my intent is here on the hand, then, and hold on for just a second, my direction is this way, then I'm super double weighted. And I don't mean double weighted here. What I mean is I'm double weighted in my focus and my intention, and my direction is all going the same place, and that can be used against me. So I have to balance that out. And the way you balance it out is your postural body alignment, the nose over the dantian, and then I open up my peripheral vision, and I can go through him wherever I want. Yeah. So it's an interesting phenomenon. By just changing your awareness, changing your focus to awareness, you can create an entire different experience. Thank you. And now when you do your brush knee in solo practice, for example, Instead of placing your awareness here or the direction you're going, go ahead and spread your awareness all around you and into the room. So, just to review, a common Tai Chi mistake is to look at the hand and to go in the direction that you're going. And the way to fix that is have your nose over your dantian and open up your vision into peripheral vision. And you'll find that everything becomes more comfortable in your Tai Chi and more effective. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you next lesson.